Okay, first off, at the local hobby shop I picked up a couple of these showcases to display my builds when I ever get around to finishing some more.
One thing.
Then Michael's was having 50 and 55% off coupons, so I stocked up on a few Revell kits. Ford Ranger pickup, the 66 Chevy Fleetside pickup, the 41 Chev pickup, and I couldn't make up my mind for the other ones, so my wife picked this one out, the 69 Camaro Z28 RS.
Oh, there's one more thing, sir.
And somewhere along the line I found this Hot Wheels 32 Ford. Thought that would look good on the shelf as well.
Oh, one more thing.
Then I picked up a few things off eBay, sorry, not eBay, Amazon. I got a package of watch parts. Try and get some gizmology. My old cheapy sprue cutter kind of got a little bit bent with overuse, so I got this for a good price on Amazon. Squadron sprue nipper, just for general cleaning up sprues, getting stuff off the sprues. And a friend of mine ordered me some stuff from HobbyLink Japan. He got me a good price on a God Hand nipper. I haven't opened it yet. Very thin blade, very fragile blade on that, so I'll have to be delicate. That's for the delicate work.
One other thing.
While I was searching around on Amazon, I saw this. I thought that would look really cool in my display case. It's the Elvira, Mistress of the Dark by Rock Candy vinyl collection. It's a little statuette of Elvira. And it's pretty well done. It's going to look nice on the shelf with the rest of my builds there. I can put it beside her model car that I did a year or two ago.
Oh, one more thing. Gee, I almost forgot what I came here to ask you.
When I went to the Torcan model show last month, I had a list of things that I was looking for, specific model kits that I think were hard to find, and I found some of them. This is the first one. I've been looking for this GMC pickup with the snowplow kit for a while, so I got a good price on that, plus no tax. Got that. I was looking also for the Monogram 71 satellite. I got that. It's open. The box is open. Everything's loose, but I'm pretty sure everything's in there. There was only one I could see in the whole vendor area, and I was looking for that one. I have special plans for colors and that build. And I saw this Pro Modeler 69 Dodge Daytona Charger. It was $20, and I checked with Peter while I was there, and he was giving me a little bit of history of the Pro Modeler manufacturing by Revell, and it comes with a little bit of photo etch. That's a really cool kit. It was a good price. Again, the box is open, but everything is sealed in the bags. So that was another one I thought I would like to have. Then I saw quite a few that I'd like to have. I got the 33 Willys panel truck. I can build that. And I happened to see another one that I was looking for, but I didn't think I would find there, is the Weirdos. I was looking for a couple of more Weirdos kits. The Davy one, with the light out of the way. Davy, the Way Out Cyclist. So that would be a fun build to do. Should be fairly quick and do a bit of a build of a motorcycle. So hang on, I have to reach over here and clear the table off and get a few more out.
Oh, just one more thing, sir.
On my third trip around the vendor's room, I stumbled onto these as well. I think I remember doing this one when I was younger. So I got a few of them. I got the Beach Bunny, Silly Surfer, the Hot Dogger and Surf Bunny together. That's a sealed kit. The other two are open. And this one here, Woody on Safari. So the three kits, I'll be looking forward to doing those. They should be a fun, quick little build that I can have a break from doing cars.
One thing.
A friend of mine at the church is a big fan of airplanes, and he figured he'd never going to get around to building it, and he asked me if I wanted it. So, sure enough, I'm adding it to my stash. It's the Avro Arrow by Hobbycraft, 1/48 scale. Apparently I've been told there's a second version. This is the second version with the new tooling. So I was really happy to get that, and I hope I can build that for him and do him justice with that. I'm not sure when I'll get around to it. I haven't done any planes yet, but I'm glad to have a Canadian airplane in my stash, and this one's got a very unique history.
Oh, there's one more thing, sir.
And finally, last couple of kits, the most recent ones I've got. There's this one, the Pegasus Alpha Centauri UFO kit. I saw some videos on people making this earlier in the year, and I thought I'd like to pick it up and make a diorama with it. I couldn't find it anywhere, and I put it on order and waited a few months, and then I kind of lost interest in it. But my neighbor was out at the hobby shop, and he found one, and he knew I was looking for it, so he brought it back for me, and I bought it off of him. So that was added to the stash. And then there was another one I was watching people make over the last few months. I've seen some videos of it, and I thought I'd like to get it. I saw it at the hobby shop over the last couple of years. It's been sitting there, and I went back on last Friday, it was still there. So I treated myself, my birthday coming up this week. I got the Polar Lights Superman kit. So I'd like to get into doing some of these figures this year. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.